Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows Explorer has stopped working in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type event viewer. Select open it. Now you just need to expand this Windows logs and select application. On right side select clear log. Select the clear option. After getting done, just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Select advanced tab. Under here you just need to search enable third party browser extensions, uncheck it and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3, go to search menu and type task manager, click on open it. Just need to scroll down to the bottom. Right click on the Windows Explorer and select restart. After getting done, check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4, go to search menu and type file explorer option. Click on open it. Select clear under privacy. After selecting clear, select OK. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, we just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to wait for this verification to get 100%. After getting 100% done, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6, you just need to go to search menu and type cc cleaner. Click on open it. If you not have, check my video description for download link. Select the tools tab and select registry. Select this checkmark all items, select all and then select scan for issues. After getting 100%, select review selected issues, select no, select fix all selected issues. After getting issue fixed, close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.